Hi, I'm Rachel Yatuzis, and I'm going to show you how to polish your shoes. This is a really good home remedy. You can use things out of your cabinet, and if you're in a hurry and you don't have time to run out and buy shoe polish, then this is how you do it. I know this because my husband polished his army boots every day for the first 2 years of our marriage, so I'm pretty much a pro at this by now. You want to first wipe any dust or dirt or debris off of your shoes with a lightly damp cloth, a lint-free cloth at that. Next, you can grab a banana peel if you have one. A lot of shoe polishes contain potassium. That's one of the main ingredients. It's really good for the leather. And if you rub the inside of the banana peel on your shoes and buff that, that's a really good way to add a little more vitamins and minerals. At one time, this was somebody's skin, so you want to help keep it moisturized. Anyway, next you want to have some olive oil, not virgin olive oil, not extra virgin olive oil. You want regular olive oil in a really soft cloth, lint-free cloth. Just put a dab of it onto your cloth and buff that all over the shoe. Olive oil is excellent for restoring moisture to anything. It's really good on furniture if you use it like every 6 months. It's really good for leather. It's just really good at putting moisture back into anything. It's all natural, it's non-toxic, it's biodegradable, so I'm all for it. When you're done and you've got your shoe all shiny, if you want to add a little bit of extra protection, a little bit of extra conditioner, just get a touch of petroleum jelly and buff it in there. I'm Rachel Yatuzis, and that is how you polish your shoes.